Welcome to Goldbachen's Quality Tips. A loud whistling noise coming from your engine indicates a problem with your turbocharger. It may be that your car's turbine shaft or blades are worn or damaged, the turbocharger's air intake system may be leaking, or there may be other worn or damaged components around your turbo area. The best way to figure out what the issue is and what parts might need to be cleaned, repaired, or replaced is to visit a qualified mechanic. Once they have helped you establish the problem, you can visit any of our Goldbachen stores nationwide for a new turbo and have a qualified mechanic do the necessary repairs. You can also visit us to get other high-quality parts for your vehicle.